The robot was once working on a factory line. Now he's learning to dance. An Indigenous choreographer is working with researchers at the University of Canberra to teach him his steps. They say the research will prepare robots like him to live in our homes.
This footloose machine is taking his first steps in one of humanity's most ancient traditions. But it's not easy teaching a robot to dance.
I want to be graceful because I'm a dancer. So to me, it's kind of like, a cat. When you see a cat that falls over and it's kind of really peeved with itself, sometimes that's what it's like to me.
It's not just art, though.
It's a long-drawn process with trying to understand what kind of robots work. Does a humanoid work like the one that's behind me? Or it's something a bit more cute and cuddly?
Baxter once was an industrial robot. He's been saved from that life of monotony, but he's not ready for the human world just yet. That's what experiments like this are for, to make future Baxters more intuitive.
So all these kind of nuanced measures that we need to understand before we can actually bring these robots into human space. And part of that process is to try it with performance so we can understand how they feel about it.
Baxter's next move will be meeting the public. So keep an eye out for him. You might just learn how to do the robot from a robot. Jake Evans, ABC News, Canberra.